Death creeps through the door, no one knows I'm here.
Would you like to play a game? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. So today I'm going to be doing another Halloween tutorial, and this time it's going to be a dark and scary type of tutorial. And it's from my favorite horror movie, Saw. So I'm going to recreate Jigsaw, the little clown puppet. I think he's a clown puppet, but he's a ventriloquist puppet that's always shown on the TV and always says, like to play a game. First I'm going to push back my hair. Okay, I'm going to moisturize my face with my Clean and Clear Morning Burst. So I want to give my face a nice flawless finish, like how a puppet's face would look like. So I'm going to dip into my L'Oreal Revitalift Miracle Blur.
Door, no one knows I'm here. I'm nameless, set of faceless, set of fear.
Next I'm going to be taking the lightest foundation because Jigsaw face is very pale white. So I'm going to dip into the True Match, and this is the lightest color I can find in my collection. It's Creamy Natural from L'Oreal.
13 years it's been since I buried the sin. A monkey on my back, don't look, you can't see. So my colleagues are crying and go. Why don't you wait my time on the track to lock you outside? Who brought a knife to?
Though I feel my face is still not light enough, so I'm just going to take this Jumbo Eye Pencil, NYX's Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I'm just going to put this all over my face. Once you get the whitest face you can accomplish, I'm going to take some e.l.f. high definition powder and I'm just going to blot this all over my face so my face don't slip and slide all night.
What he needs to stop the innocent brain. It's showing your last breath into attack. It's gonna taste but to die. It's closing in. It's closing. I know death.
Oh, ghostly. Okay, I'm just going to take the NYX's Jumbo Eye Pencil again on my eyelids just to prime my eyes for the shadow I'm going to be using. Okay, I'm going to do the eyeshadow now, so I'm going to dip into my Naked 2 palette. I'm going to take this color right here, which is Blackout, and I'm going to put this all over my eye and underneath and along my waterline. So I'm going to take a flat shaded brush, and then we'll just put this all over our eye.
And faceless as fear. Death creeps through the door, no one knows I'm here. I'm nameless and faceless as fear.
Okay, with a blending brush, we're going to blend out so there are no harsh lines. I'm going to take some more black color and intensify the lid color. Okay, we're going to take the same black color and drag it along our waterline. When you do that, we're going to drag the black color a little bit lower down the eye. A little bit lower. By doing that, it gives it that creepy look. I kind of look like Uncle Fester from Addams Family. Next, I'm gonna add some dimension to make it look, and sunken nose to give it that puppet look. So I'm going to just take this meat matte color, and it's just so filthy. And it's just a matte dark gray color. I'm just going to take a blending brush, and I'm just going to color the inside to hollow out my nose a little.
Years it's been since I buried the sin. A monkey on my back, don't look, you can't see.
I'm going to take a gel black eyeliner. Gel black eyeliner and a liner brush, flat liner brush. And I'm just going to line my top line, along my lash line. Then I'm going to line my lower lash line with the same gel liner. The CoverGirl Inked It liner. I'm just going to line my lower lash line. I'm going to pile on some mascara, so I'm going to be using It's So Big by Elizabeth Mott, Maybelline Falsies, and my Physicians Formula Organics Fake Up. Fake Out, Fake Up. Next is lip time, so I'm going to be using my Jordana lip liner in Sedona Red, and I'm going to be using Les Met by the L'Oreal Coloriche line, and the color is in matte for me, so it's a matte color. So what we're going to do, we're going to make her lips very rounded, but pointed but rounded to make it look like a puppet, but I'm going to extend my smile out a little bit. You'll see. Looks weird. Next I'm going to be taking this, it looks so creepy already. Next I'm going to be taking the red liner, and I'm going to draw what Jigsaw has on his cheeks, little pinwheels on his cheeks. So this is his blush, his type of blush. And final step, you're going to take a black liner and you're going to draw the puppet's mouth. Drawing two lines.
Breeze through the door, no one knows I'm here.
What I like to do is I like to take a nice shaded brush and then take a nice, the matte black color from the Naked palette and just go over it. And bring it all the way down onto your neck. I think it's pretty creepy. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is my Jigsaw makeup tutorial. So if you like this tutorial, or if you're going to become this, I think this is a cool Halloween costume. Just put a little red bow tie, a button-up shirt, and a nice, just a regular suit jacket or blazer, a nice blazer, a nice button-up white shirt and a red tie, you're good to go. And it's a really cool, I love this makeup. I love how it turned out. It's creepy, and you know I love the creepy side of Halloween. Oh, this is the end of my makeup tutorial. So if you like this tutorial, always like up this video. Please leave me a comment, and remember, if you're watching my videos for the first time, please subscribe to become one of my members in my Joe Army. And until my next video, I'll see you guys then. Bye guys.